G'day guys, welcome back. How are we? Eyes of Fortune. That's where we're going to start today off. Let's start on 10 cents, 250. See where we end up. Nice size major. Haven't hit one of those for a long time. $14.50. There's a lot of teasing going on. Come on. Oh, it stopped. And now it started again. I was going to swap to 5 cents, but we might just stay right here, I think. $24. Let's go to 5 cents and finish it, eh? Bugger. Thank you. Alright, give me a minute and I'll be back. I may go again on this, I think. Alright, I'll put another 100 in. I'm going to go back to 10 cents. Let's go to 2 cents. No, let's go straight to 1 cent. It's not really showing a great deal. $4.50. Come on, no. Wow, so much teasing and no delivering. Last one. No dice. I'll be back in a minute. Alright, we've left Eyes of Fortune. We've come to Desert Spirit. Let me try and get that up there. There we go. $1,000 major. Fingers crossed. Oh, I only put in 50. There we go. That's better. Haven't played these for quite some time, but I think we need 6 of these coins. Alright, let's keep going. Pretty sure you're going to have music on the back of this. One more. No, bugger. Must only be on the first 3 reels because I think that's one of the symbols as well. Yeah, left to right, 3, 4, 5. $47 for that. Beautiful. Do that again. need the bonus, we just need to get more buffalo. I'm gonna go $5 till we hit 100. And we hit absolutely nothing. Oh, Huey Lewis. Turn it down a bit. Turn it down a bit, mate. $3 bets. Come on. Stop mucking around. 6 coins. Well, looks like I should have ran when I got near on 200. It's been a fairly rapid decline in funds since then. One feature. What a horrible morning. Oh, you couldn't even do that. Oh, thank goodness. Thank goodness. Thank goodness for that. Alright, 9.58 free games. Let's get some wins, eh? So we can get some coins. That could be alright. That one's not bad. Last spin. Well, we've got 2 coins. Alright. That's nice. Alright. Go on, be nice with this one. No. No, no, no. I can't get up far enough. $65. $65.50. 75 total. Alright. We got it. Maybe she might go back to back. We haven't hit a natural one. Going back to 10 cents. Couple more spins. Can we get luck has arrived? 3 to go. Last one. No dice. Alright, thank you for watching. We got pummeled. Absolutely pummeled. And we're left with 0, 0, 0. Eyes of Fortune. Desert Spirit. Unlucky. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share it around, and I'll see you tomorrow with another one.